Hi. How have you been? Hey. I've been good, thanks. How about you? I've been doing well too. How's work going? It's going fine. A bit busy, but manageable. What about you? Same here. Work has been keeping me occupied. Have you been coming to the park often? Yes, I try to come here at least a few times a week. It's a nice break from the daily routine. That's great. Do you usually come alone or with someone? Mostly alone, but sometimes my sister joins me. Do you come here often? Not as much as I'd like to. I should come more often. It's so relaxing here. Absolutely. Have you checked out the new cafe nearby? No, not yet. Is it good? Yes, it's really nice. They have great coffee and snacks. We should go there sometime. Sounds like a plan. How's your family doing? They are doing well. Thanks for asking. How's yours? Everyone's good, thanks. The kids are keeping me busy as always. I can imagine. Do they come to the park with you? Sometimes, yes. They love playing here. That's nice. It's a great place for kids to run around and have fun. Absolutely. Well, it was great catching up with you. Yes, it was. Let's do this again soon. Definitely. Take care. You too. Bye. That's all for today's video. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Thank you so much.